Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a clean with me video, moving out edition. So right now I'm currently at my brother's old apartment. I'll give you the tour of what it currently looks like. I'm going through it and I'm cleaning his whole apartment for him because he moved into a new one. Like I told you guys in my first Florida video trip. I'm currently outside on the deck or porch that he has at this old place, and I'm going to give you a tour of the entire house and show you what it looks like, and then I will show you what it looks like when certain rooms and stuff are cleaned, and I will do a final walkthrough. This will also help my brother out by me doing this video, just so that way he can show that he left this apartment clean and with nothing wrong and everything that we're gonna fix and all of that stuff. So I will rotate the camera and show you guys the porch. All right, so this is some trash that we have that needs to go out. His laundry room is through there. I will show, you don't really need to see it. I can insert a picture of what it looks like that I took when I cleaned that yesterday. So that's his laundry room, but this was his view. This is his like deck patio kind of thing, but this was his view. It's beautiful, gorgeous view, beautiful sunny South Florida. He had a door from his bedroom out. He's got 2 sliding glass doors. I have his mini fridge defrosting so that we can take that, and then I will show you the inside. Alright, so when you come in from the patio, this is his kitchen. I have to clean all of this. He has a pantry, a fridge that'll all have to be cleaned out, food brought over and stuff like that. So this is the kitchen. Sorry if I'm a little shaky. We're gonna clean all that. That's actually the flag that was over my grandfather's stuff at his funeral because he was a Marine, so that was his flag. I'm gonna clean that all up and do something nice with that for my brother. I have to clean these windows because they are dirty, filthy. This was the living room area. Not going to be able to like clean any of the stains and stuff like that because I think they rip up the carpets here when they redo it. So he's got a closet. He has another closet here, a bathroom here. I don't know where all the lights are. So I gotta clean this bathroom. Sorry about the sound of the fan. That is his AC unit. In here he has another bedroom. I gotta take all these shelvings down, all of that stuff. Gotta clean all this up. Gotta clean in the closets, all of that. Then we're gonna walk back this way. So this is what the living room looks like. You come in through the front door over here, and then you can walk to the back of a place to the second bedroom, which was the master bedroom. I've already gone through and cleaned and vacuumed this room. I have a few more things I need to wipe down and stuff like that, but that is the bedroom. These were the closets. They were a funky design, but it's like an L-shaped like closet. And then I'm getting ready to work on the second full bathroom that he has. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this all up. So I am going to keep cleaning and working on this place, and I will show you the progress as I'm done. Like I said, I just showed you the master bedroom that is all cleaned. I just picked up all the stuff and vacuumed it. And while I was outside taking a quick butt break, I figured, you know what? I would do a video on what his apartment looked like and yeah, and the cleaning process of it. So, and if he gives me permission, I will show you a video of his new place, but I have to ask for that one. This one he won't care because he's leaving it. So alrighty, I will check back in later. Alright, so here is the bathroom all clean. This is the bathroom in the master bath. And then I just have all my cleaning supplies there. But it came out as good as it's gonna get. So this is the kitchen, all clean. Just gotta pull things out of the fridge. Cleaning supplies. This is the living room. So the remainder of the stuff that we have to get out. So this is the second bedroom. Got all the shelving off, got to patch all of that. It's all clean, vacuumed. I don't know if my brother wants those curtains or not, so we're leaving them right now. And then here is the final bathroom. It's cleaned as it will be. So this is the final walkthrough of the apartment. Nothing in the closet. Obviously this is the AC. Nothing in the bathroom. Nothing in the cabinet. Cabinets. And then off into the spare bedroom. All holes are patched. Rug is good. Closets are all clean and backed out. Light works. Patio area is all clean, just fog on the glass from the outside. Kitchen, all done. Fridge is all empty. Cabinet is all empty. These cabinets and drawers are all empty. All patchwork has been done on the walls. Coming down into the master is all cleaned. Closets are all cleaned and vacuumed. Sorry for my light. I thought my flash would go on. And the final bathroom is all cleaned. Everything's cleaned. Shower. And cabinet. All cleaned. Cabinet all empty. It's all clean. And then just showing the other side of the master, all clean. And that is it. So it's been a couple of days since I started this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this was a cleaning with me moving out edition. Have a good one. Bye.